Hello everyone. What I'm going to explain to you is backed by the mechanics working here in the shop, so there's nothing to worry about. This can be fixed. I've been reviewing many cases with clients and discussing them with workshop technicians because there's one issue that comes up a lot. My refrigerator cools fine, but it doesn't make ice. From the start, that already gives us an important clue, because when cooling works but there's no ice, the problem is usually in the system that supplies or produces water, not the entire unit. Workshop technicians always start with the basics, checking whether water is actually entering the system, because without water there's simply no ice to make. Now, in several cases, clients say something like, "Not even water comes out of the dispenser," and that leads us directly to check the water filter, the supply line, or the inlet valve. Very often the filter is clogged, or the hose has a blockage which reduces or completely stops the flow. A technician usually says the ice maker doesn't fail on its own. Most of the time, it's just not getting enough water, and that's one of the most common causes we see in the shop. On the other hand, there are cases where water does arrive, but the system still doesn't produce ice. Some clients tell us, "It sounds like it wants to make ice, but nothing comes out." In these situations, we start checking the ice maker module because it may be stuck or worn out. Technicians explain that this system works in cycles, and if one of those cycles fails, the entire process stops. In some models, we've even seen manufacturers improve these modules because they tend to fail over time, so in many cases, a full replacement is recommended. Continuing with what we see every day, there are situations where ice does form, but it doesn't drop into the bin. Clients say, "The ice stays stuck up there and won't come down." This usually points to a problem with the ejection mechanism or the sensors that detect the ice level. Workshop technicians explain that if the system doesn't recognize when it should release the ice, it simply stays stuck. In addition, humidity or temperature changes can make the ice stick together, making the issue even worse. On top of all that, there's another detail many people overlook: freezer temperature. Some clients say, "The freezer is cooling, but not enough to make ice." Here, technicians know the ice maker needs a specific temperature to work properly, and if it's not reached, ice won't form. This can be caused by airflow problems, ice buildup in other areas, or even cooling system issues that affect the overall performance of the unit.